Let's see how to remove widgets completely on Windows 11. Press the Windows key, then type CMD and press enter. Type winget uninstall 2 hyphens ID, then in all caps 9MSSGKG348SP. Enter. If you check the taskbar settings, you'll notice the widgets toggle is now gone. To reinstall, simply rerun the command, but replace the word uninstall with install instead. That's how to remove widgets completely on Windows 11. See you soon!